In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Smart Band Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our device. To do it, simply tap on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, swipe right on the screen to open the quick panel, then tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll all the way down, tap on the option called About Band. Now scroll down, and below the version number, you should have the serial number, as you can see. So this is the serial number of this smart band. You can also check the serial number via the phone app, so let's bring our phone right here. Open the Xiaomi Wear application on our phone. In the app, you should see the status page. Tap on the profile icon to open the profile page. Scroll down, tap on About Device, and here you should have the serial number of your band. And that's how you check the serial number on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.